Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into a powerful AI content tool called TubeOnAI, a tool designed to save you tons of time by summarizing videos, podcasts, PDFs, articles, and repurposing them into content you can actually use, like blog posts, newsletters, breads, and even scripts like this one. If you're a content creator, marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone drowning in information overload, this one's for you. Let's jump in. Hashtag, what is TubeOnAI? TubeOnAI is an all-in-one AI summarizer and content repurposing platform. It's built to help you take long-form content, whether it's YouTube videos, podcasts, PDF files, or blog posts, and turn them into quick, digestible summaries or full-blown content pieces you can publish directly. In a world where we're constantly consuming information, TubeOnAI helps you cut through the noise and extract the valuable insights without spending hours watching or reading. Hashtag key features. Here are the things that make TubeOnAI really stand out. Hashtag auto-summarization. Just paste in a link to a video, podcast, article, or PDF, and TubeOnAI will instantly create a precise summary for you. No more watching hours of videos just to get the key points. Hashtag multi-format support. You can summarize videos, audio, text documents, and PDFs all in one place, which is huge if you work with diverse content formats. Hashtag repurpose into publishable content. With over 150 templates, you can turn summaries into blogs, scripts, LinkedIn posts, newsletters, threads, and even scripts like this one. Hashtag choose your AI models. TubeOnAI supports multiple AI engines like GPT, Claude, Gemini, and more, so you can pick the style and quality that fits your needs. Hashtag organized knowledge library. You can group all your sources and summaries by topic, great for research, course creation, or maintaining a content database. Hashtag multi-language support. The tool works in 40+ languages, perfect if you work with global content or multilingual audiences. Hashtag real user experience. People who've bought and used TubeOnAI on AppSumo say it's a serious time saver and a must-have tool for content creators and busy professionals. Users highlight that you don't need a transcript to summarize videos. TubeOnAI generates them automatically. The mobile experience lets you summarize on the go. The interface is clean and intuitive for beginners. You can instantly generate scripts, blog content, and more with custom prompts. Hashtag who is it best for? This tool is especially useful for content creators who want to turn long content into shorter posts, YouTubers who want scripts, descriptions, show notes, or social content fast, coaches and educators who handle loads of videos and PDFs, marketers who want newsletters, threads, and emails generated from content. Honestly, if you've ever wished for a brain shortcut to digest content faster, TubeOnAI fits that bill. Hashtag pricing and deal info. Right now on AppSumo, TubeOnAI is offered as a lifetime deal, meaning you pay once and get lifetime access to the platform with credits based on your chosen tier, basic to pro. That's a huge advantage compared to monthly SaaS subscriptions, especially for creators on a budget. Hashtag bottom line, should you buy it? If you want to save hours of research and content creation time, if you want AI to generate summaries, scripts, blogs, and social posts, if you prefer a tool that works across videos, audio, and PDFs, then TubeOnAI is worth checking out. It's become a go-to assistant for creators who want to streamline their workflow without juggling multiple tools. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you use a tool like TubeOnAI to repurpose content? Hit like if this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.